Banks and simple interest part 3. From the principal, rate of interest and the period of time, we can calculate the simple interest, means interest. So for that, principal, we can use the letter P. For the rate of interest, we can use the letter R, and for the period of time, we can use the letter T divided by 100. And for the simple interest, use the capital letter I. So formula is I is equal to PRT upon 100. Principal into rate of interest into time. In the years it is given. Let's take one example. Neha took a loan of 50,000 rupees at 12 PCPA to buy a two-wheeler. What amount will she return at the end of the 1 year? Here, she took a loan of 50,000 rupees. So always you have to write this information while solving the example. So what is the principal? 50,000 rupees. Borrowed amount is always a principal, or deposited amount is also a principal. So here 50,000 rupees is a principal. Now what is mean by 12 PCPA? That PC means percent and PA means per annum. Annum means year. So 12% per year. So rate of interest is 12 PCPA or 12%. So rate of interest 12%. To buy a two-wheeler, what amount she return at the end of 1 year? So time is 1 year. Amount we have to find out. Simple interest, that we have to find out here. After solving it, you can write the answer here. You know the formula of the amount is principal plus interest, and the formula of the interest is P into T into R upon 100. Now let's put these values in the formula of the interest. First, we should find out the interest and then we can find out the amount. So let's find the interest first. 50,000 into 1 into 12. After calculating it, you will get here 6,000. So interest is 6,000. But what is asked in the question? What amount will she return? This amount we have to find out. So principal is given 50,000 and amount we have calculated now. So we can find out the amount is equal to principal plus interest. 50,000 plus the 6,000 is equal to 56,000. This lesson is very easy, students. Only you have to use these two formulas and solve the example. So the amount to be written after 1 year is 56,000. One more example. Ramdeen borrowed some money from a bank at the rate of 10 PCPA, means 10% per year, interest of 2.5 years to start an industry. If he paid the 10,250 rupees as a total interest, how much money had he borrowed from the bank? Now what is given in the example? Let's see first. That how Ramdeen borrowed some, means the borrowed amount is not given. It means we don't know the principal. So let's consider the principal B. Now the rate of interest is 10 PCPA means 10%. So rate of interest will be 10. 2.5 years. Now this time is given in the 2.5 form, the fraction. So you can 2.5 is 2.5. Or first you have to convert it into the improper fraction and after dividing you will get the 2.5. But it is easy that 2.5 means 2.5. Okay. So this is about the time. Amount is given here. No, amount is not given. Then what is this number? What does it shows? 1,250 rupees as a total interest. So this amount is the interest. So in interest column, you have to write here 10,250. Now put the value in the formula P into T into R. Now principal we don't know, so X. Time 2.5. Rate 10. And the interest is 10,250. Let's solve this. Shift this 100 to the left hand side. Multiply it. Then for our convenience, take the variable side to the left hand side, x into 2.5 into 10 here, and this 10,250 into 100 to the right side. After calculating it, you will get x is equal to 41,000 rupees. So Ramdeen borrowed 41,000 rupees from the bank. Understood it?